Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing, guys. No, this is located in Mactan New Town, developed by Mega World Corporation. It's a township community combines with residential, commercial, and open spaces with beachfront. So with its own beachfront. And this building is a residential condominium. It is named Positano Mactan. It is a 17 stories, 301 units to be completed in 2028. So it is inside at the Mactan New Town. So naa siya sa sulod, nandyan sa loob ng Mactan New Town. Mactan New Town is a 30 hectares development with its own beachfront. So yun po ang maganda dyan. At just few minutes drive from Mactan International Airport. So marami dyan mga tourist magpunta sa mga mag-island hopping. Dyan po ang maganda. Mag-beachfront, maliligo sa dagat. Yan po. Kasi malapit lang yan at most of all, if you can own a unit, one of a unit inside the Mactan New Town, you are allowed to enjoy swimming in the beachfront or in the beach area. So it is already available, guys. You can now enjoy in swimming. So this is the entrance of Mactan New Town. It's already in existing, guys. This is the entrance. Then going to the beach. So the Positano Mactan, the available units are already at 3 bedroom. So 3 bedroom lang, mga 100 square meters to 102, ranging from 30 million to 31 million pesos. Still at its installment basis because it will be turned over on 2028. So yun po ang maganda dyan. In addition, guys, no, sa Positano Residences or Positano Mactan, it is combined with a shopping mall. So may shopping mall na siya kasama dyan. So no need to go out. Hindi na kailangan lumabas pa. So except if you are going to have a beach, enjoy the beach swimming. Okay. So these buildings, guys, are already available, no? It's been already there. So as you can see on actual viewing, there's a lot of tourists. Then it's also applicable in Airbnb. So kung guys, gusto mo lang magnegosyo, bili ka ng unit at parintahan mo. Ito po yung beachfront, guys. So yan po. So maganda po ang beach natin diyan. So Airbnb is applicable, no? So there's a property management. So may property management po diyan. So kung gusto mong pumunta sa mga tourist, nandyan lang po yung si Magellan, yung pagpunta nila sa Mactan na pinugutan siya ng ulo. Malapit lang dyan. So this is the entrance of Mactan New Town. So pagpasok mo dito, dyan po. Maganda dyan. Yan na lahat. See? May mga marshals dyan. May sarili tayong mga security. So, may mga marshals. 24/7 security. So that is the Positano. Kadalasan yung available sa Positano is 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom. And this is the global residences, guys. So marami pa dyan ang mga studio unit. It's 38 square meters with balcony. So may mga 2 years from now. So meaning this is 2025, mga 2027, guys. Nandiyan na po yung the Pearl Residences, the Pearl Global Residences. So yung condominium dues natin is 135 pesos per square meter. So yan po talaga kasi yan man ang nagbigay ng sweldo ng mga security and more. So yung One Pacific Residences, may isang may-ari nagbibinta dyan. It's ready for occupancy. So still for sale at 14 million. It's a cash price. Pero depende man siguro pag kayo na lang mag-usap ni seller, ni buyer, ni owner, for finality. Pwede man siguro mag-negotiate kung magkano ang down payment mo. So may isa pala tayo dito, La Victoria Global Residences. This year 2025 start na ang turnover, guys. So maganda po yan, maganda din yan. So may mga available units pa rin. Kadalasan is 1 bedroom ranging from 14 million. So yun po, pwede rin may installment yan. So at least bago, wala yung problema, maganda. So ito po yung surroundings, guys, so kung maglakad tayo, very safe, So nandyan, 1 bedroom, square meters at the One Pacific Residences. So yun po, for sale by owner. So almost completed na po yung development ng Mega World, guys. O may eskwelahan pa dyan, may grade school. Siguro mga Chinese man yan yata yung mga Global Leaders International School. So nandyan po yan. At may high school tayo dyan, guys. May high school. Pero hopefully, according to the management, may college school pa rin i-open dyan. So hindi tayo maghintay ng matagal kasi marami na pong mga opportunities na i-offer dyan o ma-open. So magtaas talaga ang presyo. So tumaas talaga. Yan ang tatak Mega World. So makikita natin sa actual, guys, sa site, may maraming iba-ibang lahi. Chinese, American, European, at marami pang iba. So Rising Sun, Cebu's iconic convention center, dyan po sa Mega World. So malaki yan. It composed of to accommodate 2,500 persons. May mga restaurant din dyan, guys. May mga restaurant. So yun po ang marami dyan. Restaurant, mga fast food chain, may Robinson shopping mall dyan. So yun po ang maganda. So this is again the surrounding, guys. So this is the surroundings. So just few minutes drive from Mactan International Airport. So marami pang mapuntahan dyan. So if you want to go to the public market, may marami dyan, malapit lang, just few minutes away. or you can walking, just walking distance. At malapit din yan sa church. So this is the nearer to the beach. So ito na po malapit sa beach, guys. So may restaurant dyan, kaya may maraming sasakyan. May restaurant. Kadalasan kumakain dyan yung mga nakita ko, yung mga foreigners. So it's an open area, and you can have also fitness or jogging. So may nakita ako dyan, may mga foreigner din nag-jogging, nag-walking, yan po. May nag-jogging. Kadalasan dyan, guys, are the unit owners. They are the unit owners. And the security are there. No problem. There are security guards in the area. So, nakamonitor. So, kung sino man dyan magpunta dyan na sa tingin nila hindi authorized or masita agad. So, kasi exclusive to eh. Exclusive. So, ito po yung deliverables. May split type aircon, kitchen cabinet. So, many more. So, may mga, sa tingin ko, ang dalhin mo na lang yung mga, mga gamit. So, it's almost ready. Lahat. Kung may idagdag ka man, ano na lang, yung mga gadget mo. So, ito na po yung Condo Juice, 135 pesos per square meter. So, yan po. So, dito ang ilagay yung convention. Parang dito. Kasi walking distance to the beach. So, dito talaga. It's open area. Still have the, malaki pang, open space. So, very developed na talaga, guys. So, that is the included to the 30 hectares development. So, this is the surroundings. Malapit na tayo sa beach, guys. Yun na po. Malapit na tayo. So, if you want to acquire, just contact me. Just contact me. Then we will have a schedule of site inspection. Mag-site inspection lang tayo. So this is the beach front, no? This is the fence of the beach front. So, hindi tayo makapasok kasi wala tayong proper authority. Mag-schedule na lang tayo. Pag mag-site inspection tayo, guys, mapuntahan natin lahat hanggang sa beach front. So, we need to have a schedule for a site inspection. So, that's it, no? So, ito po mga sasakyan kumakain dyan sa, sa beachfront. May mga restaurant na available. So, may mga restaurant dyan. So, it's ranging from 1,000 to 1,200 per person. Yun po ang sabi ng security. So, it's really nice. So, may nag-biking, So if you own a unit, so you have the privilege to swim or to enjoy the beach property at Mega World, Mactan, New Town. So ito pong mga model unit, guys. So yung mga layout, ganyan po. Yun. So that is the 36 square meters. It's studio with balcony. Yun po, So maganda ang layout nila, guys. Super ganda. So yun po nila, kitchen, fitted cabinet. So ito po yung dining area. So the bedroom. So malaki man yung studio. So pumunta naman tayo sa ibang ano, kasi yun po kahit ibang pangalan ng ano, pero yun po kadalasan yan po ang layout. Yan po. So maganda talaga. So may bathtub pa, no? Ito po yung, I think this is the one bedroom unit. So ito po yung the Pearl. So may binipinta tayo sa the Pearl, no? May studio pa available with balcony at 9.7 million pesos. Maganda talaga sa Mega World, guys. Maganda sa Mega World. So open siya for Airbnb. Kung gusto nating bumili at parintahan agad, yan. So you have a passive income. Passive income. Okay? So makita natin, no, the Pearl Global Residences, La Victoria Global Residences. So ayan po. Yun po ang Positano with shopping mall. Yan ang Positano. Thank you.